Okay, so Jewel requested a breakdown of the song Daso Ye Onyame that I did in the key of F. I should break it down in the key of C. The song actually means you are still God and you never change. And let's go straight to the song. If you want to see the earlier song, you could check it out on the top right corner of my screen. It should be there if you are watching on YouTube. So the song, the chords of the song, the first, we'll break it down into parts. The first part, second part, third and the fourth part. First part is C major, that's Do, or the first chord, to the fifth chord is So, Z, which is the sharp 5, then the sixth, which is A minor. Again, the first one, C major, G major, that's E7 over A flat. Then we use the A diminished 7 over B, and we landed on A minor. Again, the notes are C major 7, C major, that's C, E, G, C over C, then J major, D, J, D, D, A7, that's E7, sorry, E, A flat, D, and D over A flat bass, and that is A flat 7, A diminished 7, sorry, A diminished 7 over B on the bass, A flat, B, D, F, to A minor, that's A minor, that's A, C, and E, A, C, and E, again. The second part of the song is chord is F added 13, the first inversion of F added 13, or maybe F6, so F major 6 or F added 13, F major added 13, so that's that, the first chord, A, C, D, and F. Then we took a C7 over an E. The notes of the C7, D, that's J, B flat, C, and E. I went to D minor 11 over an F. F on the bass, then D minor 11. The second inversion, the first inversion. The roots position, the first inversion. So we took an F major 9 over D. The notes of the F major 9, F, J, A, and C over D on the bass kit, on the bass. So then G major to C major. That's the second part of the song. So combining the first and the second part, we would have again. Anytime I pick it again, I'll end up changing the notes again. So let's pick it like that. The second part is done. The third and the fourth part. Tste mmrε, that's the chorus. Tste mmrε. Again. Sus2 on the right, that's the sus2. You keep on with the sus2 as you walk downwards. Mmrε do, or mmrε mi. Either ways, it works. So that part is D minor, that's the second inversion, then C major 7, sorry, C7 over E on the bass, then F added 9, the first inversion of F added 9. So you have the inversion of the F added 9. That's a new chord that I have not talked about. So you have J, A, C, and F over F on the bass. Then you have the last part of the song is again. So that basically the chords I was playing around is F major to E diminished to D diminished or D minor. Again, F major, E diminished, D minor. Then I played around it as again. Again. So okay, if you have watched this video to this point, that's the whole song. And let me give you a trick or a tip here. Maybe you not play this song in your country or wherever. You could still use substitutions for that. Remember the last side of the song was 4-3-2-5-1. So any other song where you need to go from 4-3 to 2 or 4-3-2 as a progression, you could use what I did as a passing chord. So, or a fill up. So if you have to go on that's maybe you can do or any other song where you need to move from 4-3-2 or fa mi re, or either 3-2-4 re mi fa mi re, any of them. So you have okay, I left that one. That one was that one where so, and we did B flat, then we went to F minor over an A flat on the bass, then we slashed to F major, then went to J major over B on the bass, then we landed on C major again. That's that for that. So wherever you have to use 3, 2, 3, 4, you could use as a chord structure options instead of, you could use again. And also where you have to go from 3 to 6, mi, la, whatever, 3 to 6, you could realize that when I went to the fifth, 1, 5, 3, 6, any song, you could use instead of again, so, mi, la, you could play, you get it. So these are things you could pick up from this song and apply it to any other song where you know you may be using such progressions. That's that for today, and I hope you enjoy yourself and have something to learn for the day. Have a good day.